Serendipity. Today we're going to be doing some math together, and we're going to do it in the form of graphing. So here I have a handout for flower graphing. You don't have the handout at home, so if you could just provide your child with a piece of paper and markers or crayons or something to draw. So when I say color in boxes, they'll just draw that amount of squares, and I'll say that when it comes to it. So first things first, we have a graph, and graphing is important because it can help you count, it can help you analyze, it can help you compare to see which is greater and which is less. So that's what we're going to use it for today, and figure out which flower down here is the most and which one is the least. So I'm going to pick a couple different colors over here. I'm going to move myself, and I'm going to pick green first. So we've got our first flower here, and I'm going to circle it, and it's a tulip. So we're going to go back up to the center box and count how many tulips we see. So I see 1, count with me if you're at home, 2, and 3. So there's 3 tulips. So on your paper at home, you will draw and color in 3 squares. And they'll be on top of each other. So 1 square, 2 squares, 3 squares. And then we'll switch colors. You can do whatever color you'd like. So this is a daisy. We're going to circle that in red and go up to the box and see how many daisies we have. Let's count together. We have 1 and 2. So when we go down to the graph, you'll draw 2 squares or rectangles. 1, 2. So we can already see that between a tulip and a daisy, we have more tulips than daisies. So we'll move on to our third plant, and there we've got a leaf. So we're going to go up in blue and count how many leaves. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to color, or on your paper you will draw 5 squares or rectangles on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now, the tulip did have the most, but now we can see the leaf has more than the tulips, because the tulip only has 3, and the leaf has 5, and 5 is greater than 3. We've got 2 more, so I'm going to pick another color. Do lavender. So this is like, I think, a lily. We're going to see how many we have. Oh, there's only 1. Only 1. So then we're only going to draw or color in 1 square rectangle. And then our last flower, which is a hibiscus flower, we're going to circle that one with a color, an assigned color. We're going to count. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to color in 4 boxes, or on your paper you will draw 4 squares or rectangles on top of each other. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now comes the time that we've counted all of them, we've circled, we've colored the boxes. Now we can analyze. So which of these has the least amount? So this has 3, this has 2, this has 5, 1, and 4. So the least number is 1, so that means this purple square right here, the lily, is the least amount. And we can easily see that because you can check the different heights of the boxes. And so then for the most, the leaf is in the lead with 5. So here we have the leaf is the most and the lily is the least. And then you can see the other ones are kind of in the middle. We've got 2, 3, and 4. So just putting things in a graph like this, you can really see easily when you're counting and comparing and seeing which is greatest and least. And maybe we could add another one and it could be equal. So you can easily make graphs at home, counting things that you have in your house, doors, windows, pillows, stuffed animals, types of toys. So it's a fun activity you guys can hopefully do together. And one thing I forgot, silly Ms.Alisa, the first thing you always need to do is put your name on the paper so that you don't lose it. So that was flower graphing for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.